All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Emily, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for clicking on my link. If you are on this link today, means you are probably searching about assisted living startup, group home startup, small business startup. So in this video, we are going to talk about real estate investment as it relates to residential assisted living. Okay, so if that's something that interests you, stay tuned. Okay, so as we go forward to 2024 and the new year, I know you all are planning about how to make money or what to invest in, or maybe you've been thinking about assisted living and you're not really sure, or maybe you have a home or two homes that you're not really using while you're renting it out. So this is the difference. If you have a home, say maybe your first home and you bought your dream home and now you have that second home that you are not using, this is a great time. You either turn it into an assisted living or you rent it to someone that's going to turn it into an assisted living. This is the difference from making maybe $2,500 a month or $1,200 a month to making $10K monthly easy. Okay, so if you have a home, turn it into an assisted living. 10K a month, what does it mean? If you're charging $2,000 per resident a month, then you have 5 residents. If you're charging $4,000 a month, then you 4 times what will make you 10. If you're charging $5,000 a month, then all you need is 2 residents. All right, so this is it. So this is an easy way for you to make more money with your second home, okay? So use that home, turn it into a residential assisted living. If you're not sure on how to do that, go to my playlist that says CEO Journey. There you will have a variety of video that will walk you through from step 1 to licensing. Okay, so go to that place to watch it. But this is an easy way for you to make 10K a month. Turn your home or your second home, or buy a second home and turn it into a residential a home or a group home. You can charge a resident, $5,000 per resident, depending on the level of care. All you need is 2 residents, and that's 10K a month, okay? Or if you're charging $2,000 per resident, all you need is 5 residents, and that's your 10K a month. So it depends on how big your home is, what zone you are in, on what license or what level you have. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, go to my playlist that says CEO Journey. There you have all the videos listed about assisted living startup. All right, I'll see you guys on my next video.